Hey guys, welcome back to Cook, Clean, and Create with Kelsey. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me in my car. I recently purchased this vehicle in March, and since then I have not done like a thorough deep clean of it. I've just picked up things here and there. But this last weekend I let my friend borrow it because she sold her house, so she's moving. And we took out the third row in the back and noticed that there was like some French fries and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm like, this would be a perfect time while the back row is out to get in, get it cleaned up before putting those seats back in. Also, the two bucket seats in the second row could really use a cleaning and a vacuuming and all that stuff. Remove the car seat, clean the car seat, that kind of stuff. And then I'll wipe down the console and all the doors. After that, I'll probably go take it to the car wash with the kids and get it cleaned up because the outside's pretty dirty as well. So anyways, let's jump on in. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kelsey, and I love to do lifestyle and motherhood type videos, some cooking, cleaning, crafting here and there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can find me on Instagram at Kelsey_Crawford5. Also, I bought this Suburban, like I said earlier, in March. And then I filmed this video in probably late July, early August, so it's been a few months. But I just wanted to say that I love this vehicle. I do have 3 kids, 9, almost 7, and 2, and it works so perfectly. Previously, I had like a smaller SUV, a Chevy Trailblazer, and it worked, but the storage or like this extra space just wasn't there. And now each kid kind of has their own space, and then I have this awesome space in the trunk. So up to where the end of the mat is, that's where the third row seats sit. So I still have plenty of space for strollers and luggage and groceries, you know, all of that stuff. But anyways, you guys, my car was trashed. I really spilled cereal this morning. There was fries on the floor. I had bought the boys' shoes a week ago. The old boxes were still in here. The old shoes were still in here. I mean, everything. Clothes, blankets, you name it. But anyways, I try not to let my car get this bad, but it happens. Let's be real here. Let's all be graceful to each other and know that I think at some point in time, everybody's car looks like this, if not even probably worse in some cases. So just be graceful. Give yourself some grace, and you know what? Just clean it out when it gets like this and start over.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. Yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. How the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part.
I don't know about you guys, but I literally don't think there's anything more satisfying than a transformation, a before and after, or even literally watching filth be vacuumed up or cleaned up. I don't know, it's so satisfying to me. I recently learned that I'm the type of person that if the house is cluttered or dirty or whatever the case is, so same goes for the car, that it just causes me more stress. I have more anxiety. It's like my head's clouded. I don't know. It sounds crazy, I know, but I realize that once the space is clean, I feel like I can think clear and my anxiety goes down so much. It's like one less thing to deal with, one less thing to worry about. So that is the same for my car. When I seen it looking like this, I was just like stressed out. So anyways, I just am so happy with how it turned out in the end. But I decided to use this shoebox as my little garbage can, which worked out good.
You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your...
How cute is that sweater? But anyways, I decided that once I got all my mats out, I'm going to go ahead and hose those down so that while I finish vacuuming and cleaning out the car, they would be drying. I will say though, I really struggled to get these clean. Even I ended up off camera, like spraying them with like a multi-surface spray and scrubbing them with a microfiber cloth, and it took off a little bit more. But like you'll see at the end of the video, when it dried, they still looked dirty. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to look up, I haven't yet, but I'm gonna try to look up different cleaners that would maybe clean them off a little bit better. But if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. These are like WeatherTech mats, so whatever you guys use to clean yours, I would love to hear.
You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your heart at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you? Ooh,
Okay, so this is the big rug from the trunk of my car, and apparently I found a blue crayon and threw it out of the car, and because it was 90 degrees outside, it melted and somehow got on my rug, because this, I promise you, this was not there before. And there's even like the rest of the blue crayon is melted onto the sidewalk, or the driveway, excuse me. I was so mad at myself though. I was like, seriously, like how did I let this happen? But I love this little spot cleaner that I have. I use it all the time for stuff throughout the house. It does take a little bit of like maneuvering around and working with certain material. So I did spend a little bit of time on this, but eventually I got as much of that blue crayon out as I could, and at the end you can see there's still like a little bit left, but it's hardly noticeable. But again, talking about weird satisfactions, there's something so satisfying about watching this machine like suck up the water. I don't know, that sounds so ridiculous. Anyways, if you don't have a carpet cleaner or one of these spot cleaners, I highly recommend it. I have a microfiber recliner in my house, and it works wonders on that. I've used it on like the boys' beds when they were younger and like maybe had an accident, or just spills on the carpet, you name it.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. From within, you can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time, but when it's hard you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around us.
Okay, now that we're nearing the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this gives you motivation to get your car cleaned out one more time before winter comes. I apologize, I did film a clip of us going through the car wash and a clip of the outside of the car clean, and then my self-talking at the end, but somehow, somewhere along the lines, I deleted that. I am so bummed, but I think the good part is I left what the inside looks like clean, and I think that matters the most. So we did get the outside clean, I just didn't get it filmed, or I did get it filmed, I just deleted the footage. So I apologize, but I appreciate you guys watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Again, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and it gave you motivation, and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, please hit the bell notification. That'll notify you every time I upload a video. I do upload once a week. I just don't always get to do it the same day because my work schedule changes week by week. Next week, I am planning to post a video of my master bedroom clean. It is a complete disaster, so I look forward to posting that next week, and I hope you guys will join me for that as well. Thanks again for stopping by. We'll see you next time.
I'm with you.